We're going to look at a couple different ways that we can separate this word. First, we have to always find the vowel letters. Good job. So we have the 3 I's in this word. Okay, next, let's decide where we're going to divide it. Okay, we have between the 2 I's, we have S and K. What do you know about S and K? It's a blend. So we can either go before or after. This time, let's do it before. Okay, now that we've decided that, we can just go on to the next vowel. So we have another I and I. And in between we have RP. What do you notice about RP? It's another blend. So we're going to do it after. All right. Let's see what this word says. In our first syllable, we have DI. In our next syllable, we have SKIRP. And in our last syllable, we have ING. When we look at this, the first syllable is open, die. Second syllable is R controlled, skirp. And in our last syllable, we have ing, closed syllable. So this word is diskirping. Now we'll go look at another way to separate this word.